Come closer, come closer. Today we are carrying out a community service by clearing this football field using our powerful slasher machine. When we enter communities like this, many young people gather around. At first they are surprised, some laugh, some whisper, but after just 15 minutes of work, their reactions completely change. This machine is specially designed for many purposes: weeding cocoa farms, palm plantations, rubber, coconut, mango, orange farms, and many more. It makes farm work faster, easier, and more profitable. Instead of spending days weeding manually, this slasher machine can clear large areas in a short time, saving energy and labor costs. We are not just demonstrating a machine, we are showing opportunities. Young people in farming communities can use this equipment to generate daily income and build a business. Modern farming is smart farming. If you are interested in this machine, contact Pat Street Jam Agro Machines today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more agro machine demonstrations.